your hands up. Knuckles to nose. Nice and soft at the elbow. Release the heel and drop. 76 coming at ya. In 4, 3, double jib, cross, go! I like this. On that cross, release
it up again. Lift your knees. You shake that body. We're gonna learn some lower body strikes. Step left, side kick right. 1, 2, then step backwards. Let the chest rotate. And as you step out, turn, extend arm, kick low. Out and back. Now step back into a wide stance. Come around the body. Run! Take a deep breath now. Low exhalation.
Forward, jab, cross, elbow. Jump kick. Bah! Now, if you want the step kick alternative, the stability of the step allows you to bring the power. Let's try it. Step.
Step, kick, land, change. 1, 2, 3, switch. Now you don't have to kick high, but focus on stepping behind the kicking leg, because that's gonna help you cover more distance when you kick. 4, 3, 2, 1. Double right jab, left cross twice. 4, 3. On the cross, let the hip, let the shoulder, and let
do it again. How many lunges? Stay. 3, spring, change, lunge kick. Lunge kick, 4 lunges. All right, now capoeira. We use 3 points of the triangle and we try and use the ground for power and strength. So if you can get low, there's my tip. The adrenaline, apply the pressure. Lift, lower, straight down. Lift with your glutes, lower. Forcing yourself off balance, forcing your core to fire. It's getting hard. 2 more! You've got to learn to love uncomfortable if you want this program. That's where the results are, girls. 4, 3.
Yank your feet 4 times for cardio. And instead of jumping on the Superman, stay down. 1 more combo. High knee run. Right leg. This isn't a sprint. This is high knees.
Your jabs come straight down the line. The parry, defensive movement, you lean away and push their fist out of your face. Add on, small step, look left. I want the feeling when you parry. It's not a...
It's time to move. Everybody shuffle forward. 1, 2, 3. Back. You know what's coming. Kick and knee. And do you know why I love the back kick? Because when you lean forward and square your hips and shoulders to the floor, you can really generate more power.
Sink, pull and push. 4 more. Can you lift your knee higher? Yes or yes? 4. See my ghost at night. That ghost, that chip on your shoulder, that voice in your head that says, is that your best? Is it though? Is it though? Oh no! I don't know if it is though. Bridge the gap. Now move out.
New move, up kick. Up, kick, hold, and tap. Up, kick, Bring your heels together and brace abs as the legs lower. Single C crunch. Up and down. Slide the rib cage toward the hips and control by bracing abs as you release. Up kick, palms down. Up, kick, holds it. You want to picture doing it like you're holding a plate. Punch, rip it. Now anytime you need, you can keep doing this C crunch. That's all good.
Knee down, heels to butt. Stretch that quad. Roll onto your back. Same leg. Johnny was a good man. Hips down. Stretch down the back of the legs. Feet together. Grab your thumbs and give me a big Body Combat 76.